Ladies and gentlemen, you're most welcome once again. In today's video, I want to show you how we can use the Excel function called the VSTACK in order to align our data vertically. So as you look at this, if I'm trying to select this you realize I have this sample of data, which is, I think, arranged like in a half, like a first half, second half, then these columns like two columns each separated. So now what I'm going to do, for example, I want to insert a new column. Then I go ahead and insert another column. I insert another column, and then here I insert another column. Now you realize I have this column separated. Then I have this one, I have this column, I have this column, and then finally I have this one. So you can see how my data is being separated. I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. Then so I have around how many? I have one, I have two, I have three, four, and then five. So these are all arranged like in horizontal array. So I want to put them in the vertical array using the VSTACK function in Microsoft Excel. So what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to select one of the cell where my function will start. So obviously I'm going to select the cell which is B25. Then from there I go ahead and type equal sign. Then I put the function which is VStack. The VStack, this one will vertically stack array into a one array. So I'll go ahead and pick that. Then I'll choose the first array, and that is array one. So I will go ahead and select this value, and then go ahead and press shift and select the last value. This one will obviously select all the numbers in that array, and then from there I'll put a comma. Then I'll go and select the second array. Second array, I'll go ahead and select this, which is this. Then I press shift on my keyboard, and then I select that. Then from there, I'll go ahead and put a comma. Then I go and select another array. The other way you can do is just by selecting and drag so that you select the entire array. Then from there, put a comma, select the other one also. Uh, then from there, put a comma, and then the last one, drag and select the all of that. And then after that, now you've selected all the four arrays, all the four data arrays that you want to align them vertically in these two columns. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close the bracket, the parenthesis. That's very important. So I go ahead and close the parenthesis. Now after doing that, go ahead and press enter on your keyboard. Get your keyboard, ladies and gentlemen, and locate where enter key is. Press enter, or you can come and use this function for enter is the same. So I go ahead and press enter, and then from there you can now see I have all these arrays arranged in two one and two columns, like in this two columns, the first column and then the second column. I can see payment, payment date, balance, and then scheduled payment. So I can adjust the width of this so that you can easily see what I'm meaning. So I have this, the first array. Then I have the second array for beginning balance and scheduled payment. Then I have extra payment and total payment. I have principal and interest. Then I have end balance and cumulative interest. So when you look at this, the last one, which is cumulative interest, then you come and look at the other data this side, you realize I have cumulative interest here. So by using the VStack function, this one will enable you to align or to arrange your data vertically in a vertical array, and that one, it will help you to organize the data in the way you want. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much. Let's catch up in the next video for another tips in Microsoft Excel.